foundational to our witness and to our testimony. Jesus' resurrection validates our faith. It proves our faith. It makes our faith true and right and real, and instead of being a sham, being false. The resurrection of Jesus validates our witness. That is why, going back to the 1 Corinthians in chapter 15, verses 14 and 15, if Christ has not been raised, our preaching is useless. Do you understand that? Our preaching is useless. No amount of eloquence, no amount of being wordsmith, no amount of accent can make our preaching valid. Without the resurrection of Jesus, our preaching is vain, useless. It's an exercise in futility. And so is your faith.